Confessions of Ate Bebs Part 2. You guys are fully aware that I am a content creator. And most people have certain expectations with content creators like me. We're very confident, we love our bodies, we love everything about ourselves. Not to sound conceited, pero ganun kasi yung expectations ng mga tao. However, I just want to let you know that I also have my own sets of insecurities. One being my body. Malaki ang tinaba ko simula nung pandemya. Lumobo yung mukha ko. Dati medium ako, ngayon large na yung mga damit ko. Ang dami ko na sa mga damit ko na hindi ko nakasya. And yes, there were a few comments na nagsasabi na tumaba ako, not only on TikTok but also sa mga people around me. Now, I am the type of person who usually brushes off these kinds of comments about my body. But there's this one comment that affected me a lot. I don't know why. Pero tinanong niya ako, ate, buntis ka ba? Nasa utak ko noon, parang first time mo makakita ng malaki ang tiyan. Tingin mo ba lahat ng mga malalaki ang tiyan, buntis? Ganun yung tumatakbo sa utak ko noon. Pero kasi nasa body type ko din na maliit yung extremities ko, as you can see, pati fingers ko, 'di ba? Tapos, ang malaki yung braso ko, tsaka yung tiyan ko mismo. Payat din yung legs ko, kaya siguro ganun yung impression niya, but it kinda broke me. Hindi naman pangit maging mataba. It's totally fine if you have a voluptuous body. It's just a me thing na I'm not happy about my own body. Knowing na hindi ko nakakasya yung mga damit ko dati and I have to buy new clothes for it. So, I'm working on it. Tinatry ko nang ibalik yung katawan ko dati para mawala na to. Ayun lang.